There's entrance to the bus station. I got the ticket from Belgrade to Skopje, Macedonia for 2600 dinars, which is equal to $26, and there is nothing written in English in this ticket, but the guy ticked two things. One is the time for departure and the gate number, platform number 3. So that's it, the ticket. Platforms here in Belgrade bus station. Oh, perfect. This is the bus going to Skopje from Belgrade, Serbia. From Belgrade to Skopje, Macedonia, we have first stop here after 1 hour for snakes. It's been 2 hours. We are actually traveling in this bus, and I think 4 to 5 more hours are left to reach Skopje. This is niche city in Serbia, and the bus has a 10-minute stop here. Still 3 to 4 hours journey to Skopje in Macedonia. This is our last stop in Serbia, and then we will move to Macedonia border.